Good morning, everyone. That's really been an exciting, high energy start to the day. Welcome you to the second edition of Beyond Borders. We're really excited to see all of you here. In the morning, over breakfast, I was having some conversations with our MD friends. And what really came across, and that's such an exciting change, is that their conversations with their clients have been changing in the last few years. From should we invest globally, it's moved to where can we invest and who can help us do that. Now, this is an exciting change, and this hunger to go beyond India's borders is the reason why we've all gathered here today. Just think about this. Most of your clients today have global spends, they have global aspirations, most of them have global lifestyles. But their portfolios continue to still be Indian largely. And that's not because they lack interest or they don't know much about it. It's primarily that the moment they think about going into global markets, they enter a maze of regulations, taxation, compliance that they don't quite understand. And then they end up saying, छोड़ो यार, ये बहुत complicating है, कुछ और ही देख लेते हैं. And the wealth managers want to help their clients, but somehow they don't know where they can begin. And that is the whole purpose of creating this platform. What we aim to do today is provide a lot of clarity on how Indians can create global portfolios. What are the best suited structures and routes that work for all of us? What are the kind of compliances that we have to take care of? And more than anything, how can we create global portfolios that actually make sense? Today, we will have conversations which are real life and very, very practical. We will hear from speakers who live and breathe practically in this space. We will have with us Saurabh Mukherjee, who is India's finest investment minds. We will have Pradeep Ramakrishnan, a visionary who is leading IFSCA's mission on making India the largest global financial hub. We will also have global product specialists and compliance specialists to help us understand these structures better. And more than anything, we will hear from wealth managers, our peers, who've been able to crack the code. So today's conversations, like I said, are going to be real life. We want them to share with us their ideas, their experiences, and their learnings. And we truly think that global investing is a capability that today wealth managers need to have because global diversification is going to define the coming decade. And the early movers, the early adopters, the ones who understand the space well, will be able to win their clients, win their trust, and be the winners for tomorrow. And I can already see a lot of early movers here who've managed to keep abreast of all the changes that are happening around. So I hope you all have a fantastic day full of learnings and insightful experiences. I hope you have conversations with other wealth managers who've been able to offer these products to their clients. And before we get started, I'd like to acknowledge IFSCA's support for this particular platform. Thank you so much, Pradeep and Pawan and the entire team for being there for us, for offering us your guidance at all times. The kind of work you all are doing with the GIFT City is phenomenal. You all are not just creating regulations, you are creating possibilities for Indians, for improving the global access. And we really value that. Thank you so much. And I hope you all have an exciting and great day. I look forward to interacting with you all. Thank you.